Hey, welcome back to Unfortunately Part 3. Here are the hands. As you can see, these are the Holden hands. So here is the shield, nicely detailed and painted. I mean, it would need a little bit of paint line right here on the sides to kind of give it that whole Blackton side effect right there, as you can see right there. Now let's open this up. And really, you just open on one and the other side opens up. And they don't go far. They do have a little part that they will stop at. Unfortunately, I don't see anything else about this. Here is the beam effect port. Pretty cool. You just push it into that far, it doesn't go anything farther. You can kind of close it, but it's supposed to be meant openly like that. Now the cool thing on this beam, what do they call it? Beam scythe, the handle, is that this part right here actually does move. Now the only bad thing is they should give you another beam effect part, because this beam effect is only for the beam scythe in scythe mode. As we know in the show, he took it, he folded it up like this. He had the straight part and he used it as a beam javelin. And if you're wondering, can these two work? No, because you see how that one's got that little circular quip in there, and this one just kind of has a flat quip. So, yeah. So, yeah. I mean, it's nice that it does kind of fold up and stuff like this, and bend and stuff. But I mean, it would have been a lot nicer if it actually had that straight little piece that would have been long and thin that you could put on there to make it look like that beam javelin where you could just stab the guns instead of slicing them. But I mean, it's nice that they did include the shield that opens up and has the beam effect part on there. So I mean, that is a nice little touch. That is definitely nice. But I mean, just if they didn't want to do that, don't make this piece bend and stuff. Just leave it as is. So articulation, yes, the head can move up and down, side to side, back and forth. It's on a ball joint. You really can't get it to rotate all the way around due to the little wedge chin there. Shoulder pieces move up and down. Nice thrusters and stuff, and verniers. As you know, some websites call these such pieces verniers. I call them thrusters because you know that's what they look like. Arm can move like this. So, yep. There's the bend. Wrist would definitely rotate around because you know they're on a little ball joint. Waist could move not really side to side, but kind of back and forth. You do get a little bit of ab crunch in there, which is always nice. The side skirts can move up and down, a little bit side to side and back and stuff. No, well, there is a little bit of articulation with the front skirts, but not that much. The back butt skirt, nothing there for that. There's that. These pieces, which look kind of weird. For the legs, it can do the splits, although when you do have this little quip in there, you really can't do the splits. And you really can't put its legs together like that. So, do you know if it's on a display stand, its legs are going to be more split? When it's on the display stand with this, then, you know, actually having it like that. Legs could go back that far, forward to that far. Bend there. And that's it. They only have one knee bend. It looks like that they have a double joint knee bend, like one down here, one up here. But no, this is solid. They only bend up here, as you can see. So yeah. A little bit of the ankle bend and tilt. And that's about it for that. So let's pop off the closed hands because I really don't like them. I guess we could leave one closed hand there. Let's get the white open hand and pop that in there. So I'm actually not going to do what they said here. I'm going to do it my way. So I'm just going to twist that, push it in there like that. Actually, just saying go like here. So give me a second here to fix it all up. Make it look nice stuff. Yeah, and then you just got that little slot that slots into there. It will slot onto either side, but let's kind of do more traditional and put it on the left side. Kind of bend that like that. Have that one going out like that. It would have been nice if they changed up a couple things. The things that I would love that they could change up to make this look way, way better would be, like I said, give you that straight little beam effect part for the Deathscythe, so that it could go into like that javelin mode. I would change and give you that. Instead of having this little quip, I would have made it where you could actually put, you know, your weather action base 4 or 5 on there. And I would give you some open hands. So then you could more likely try pulling off this pose on the bots with his open hand. I mean, this is the best that you could get, but it's going to be either a closed fist or you're going to have another holding fist. So, holding fist or closed fist, you're never going to have that open hand to pull off that actual look. But I mean, it doesn't look that bad, and from a distance, it kind of does look like a model kit. Although I would say probably more one of those third-party model kits, because we know this model kit hasn't really seen, you know, a reincarnation in a long time. I mean, the Wing Gundam has just been reincarnated so many times. Even Deathscythe has started to be reincarnated, and Sandlot. But Deathscythe, no, and the cheap plastic band 1995, you know, real fragile, real thin, especially remember on the V fins, and how the beam sabers, like this whole beam effect would be one color. It'd be like white, and then you have mix up the paints to get to this kind of neonish green, and then paint it. It was horrible, but yeah. But all in all, I mean, these are the only real accessories that you actually get that are left over. The 2 hands and a little stage pad. Other than that, it looks pretty darn nice for fitter. Like I said, on camera here, it almost looks kind of like a gunpowder fitter from the top view. And maybe from the shield and stuff, and probably from a little bit of the beam saber. Now, bottom down with the legs, you could definitely tell that it's not really a gunpowder. I mean, even the waist skirt looks more of a gunpowder waist skirt. But this is definitely not a gunpowder model kit. It is definitely more of a action figure. But yeah, like I said, if you want to pick this up, check Walgreens, GameStop, and a link to Amazon.com. I pretty much am happy with this, except for, you know, the couple of parts here and there, like for this one, no beam javelin effect, no open hand, and this stupid Tamashii Nation thing that no one's ever going to really find. If you do, it's going to cost a lot. Yeah. Other than that, if you love Gundam Wing series and Deathscythe, definitely pick this video up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. And leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks. Bye.